Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you some of the biggest risks that you should avoid in the stock market. Now I've previously made a video about some of the mistakes that you can avoid in the stock market. Now some of the biggest risks that you should avoid in the stock market. Now what are these risks? These risks are those that you are afraid to you are afraid from them, or you might lose your capital. So how to avoid those risks? Uh, besides that, these risks are present in your mind, and if you every trade that you're going to make, they will ring in your mind and tell you to not invest in that, and that stock might be profitable for you. So how to avoid those risks, those mistakes that you shouldn't avoid in the stock market and have a successful career, a successful trading career. So let's get started. Now the first risk is that you should avoid in the stock market is not doing your risk management. So doing your risk management is the most important thing. You have to do your risk management in the stock market. Without that, you might blow up your account, or you might experience some of the biggest losses in the stock market. So do your risk management properly. Always do it properly. Do it such that those losses do not affect your whole trading. Always keep your losses minimum, and your profits maximum, or unlimited your profits if it were. And the second thing is not doing your what is that technical analysis. Always do your technical analysis, because technical analysis show you uh, which way the overall trend, the market is heading, which way the overall trend is heading. If you do not do your technical analysis, you might not know where the overall trend is heading. You might guess it from by looking at it is a side trend, yes, but you might not know it from the depth of where the market is heading. Also, technical analysis shows you where to enter the market and where to exit the market. So you have to be aware of those situations and trade according. Now as you can see here, if this is a pullback, as you can see over here, and you might think that this is a downtrend, and you short your position over here. So that is your biggest mistake. If you short your position here and close it over here, so that's okay. If you short your position, let me show you clearly. If you short your position over here and close it over here, close your short position over here, so this much profit you have gained, that's okay. But if you short your position and waited for it, showed these two candlesticks, and you think that, oh, they are normal, and you waited for it, so you're going through biggest losses. Always know where the overall trend is heading. Also, these candlesticks shows the actions of the investors, whether the bears are active or the bulls are active, whether the bears are interested in pulling the market down, or bulls are interested in pushing the market up. So these candlesticks shows gives you a great hint of where the market is heading, of what is the market's current action, current decision to head the market. So you've got to be aware of these situations. Now, never consider a pullback as a downtrend, because pullbacks are those areas where you have to enter in it. The third thing is that failing to apply the strategies that you have learned. Now sometimes this happened to me, as I'm a new trader, so this happened to me. I don't know, I know most of the strategies, but I failed to apply those strategies because I'm afraid of losing my account, or not sure of self-doubt, you can say. I'm in self-doubt. I'm in doubt that I might do something wrong. So never listen to that inner voice of yours. Apply the strategy that you have learned. Wait for it. Waiting is the most important thing in while trading in the stock market. Now you can see over here. Now, if I tell you what mistake I made in this particular trend is, I bought it over here and it went up. Everything was normal, as this candlestick showed. At this particular day, the overall market was down, but there was buy pressure on this stock, in this particular stock, which is Unity Foods. Buy pressure was on this stock. The bulls were pushing the market up. Now on the next day, the bulls pulled up their capital, their fair share from this stock, and invested it in others and diversified their portfolio, which caused sell pressure in this particular stock. So I have sold it over here. Although I have gained profit, but I've lost a lot of profit, as you can see over here. This is the mistake I made in this stock. The always listen to yourself. So lesson learned is always listen to yourself, do your technical analysis and what the market has got for you. Now I was also unaware at this place of the buy pressure and sell pressure. I knew it, I know this, I have that knowledge inside me, but I didn't know what is buy pressure and sell pressure, because I learned from it. Now if you make mistakes, which comes to the fourth thing, if you make mistakes, you will learn from it, you will experience it, and you will try to avoid those mistakes in the future as well. Now let me show you what mistake I made over here. Now the mistake I made over here is, again, I've bought the stock over here. This was the market's indecision phase. Also this became a side trend. Now you can see over here, if I draw a line over here, this is the first line and this is the second. Now this is a side trend, this is support level, this is resistance level. So stocks went up, came down, went up, came down. So I bought it over here. I didn't know that how far it would come. If I closed my position somewhere here, then this stock, I'm not this video is to show you what to avoid, not to, like, I'm explaining the strategies to you of what strategy I should have applied here and I haven't. So I should have closed my position over here in these candlesticks and bought stocks over and long my position over here and sold them again at these areas. But I've hold on to them, and now I've closed my position over here, half of it over here, because this market is somewhere in the upward direction. So I'm waiting for it to show me positiveness, and if it comes down, so I'm going to buy more stocks and sell it at a profit. If it goes up, comes like this and again up, so I'm going to buy this stock again and move along the trend. So these are and also never invest in a breakout until it confirms that it is a real breakout, because there are some of breakout that are false breakout out there. So you will have to watch out for them to not lose your account, to not experience some of the losses. And that's it for today. Maybe I record some of the, I've showed to you some of the risks in this video. Maybe I show them into you in the future videos, maybe more. So stay tuned for that. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.